Hello everyone, it's me Arif welcoming you to my new logo design tutorial, and today we'll do this type of logo with the hexagon and lines. So let's start the tutorial. If you're new in my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for the new notifications. Going to the file and taking new options. From here taking an artboard which is 2000 pixel and 2000 pixel and giving the name XSR logo. And after that here is one artboard, and color mode I'm taking here the RGB color mode just because of I am using this one for the web purpose. And if you want to use it a print purpose, you can use the CMYK color mode. That means the easiest way, RGB for the web purpose, CMYK for the print purpose. Which purpose do you fulfill, you can use that mode and hit the create button. Artboard will appear. This artboard is blank, and now we'll work with that. Before start the full tutorial, I want to say one thing. I'm using the workplace essential classic and reset the essential classic just because of suppose you using essential classic but not getting all the settings like me, that's why I'm just suggesting you to reset the essential classic. All the thing will be like me. And after that going to the line segment tool from here and press the shift and hold it, drawing a line. So in this logo we'll take the 15 things, 15 lines. So this one, stroke 1, that's good. Press the option or alter button and press the shift, it will be full parallel. So this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So this 15 line will help us to make the logo fulfill, and grouping this one by pressing Ctrl or Command G and making this one into middle. So after that Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Ctrl C for the copy, Ctrl F for the forward paste, and from here 120 degree and Ctrl C and Ctrl F, another copy, making it flip. And this one Ctrl C and Ctrl F and making this one into 180 degree. So we already got this one, just making this rotation into like that. So in this portion you are getting hexagon over there, and we'll make the logo from this hexagon. Going to the shape builders tool, making black color or whatever you can take, and now we'll make the XSR. Selecting this one and then going to the shape builders tool, taking the black color. Now we'll make this one. So at first making the map. So here is the X. You can take more longer, it will help you out to make this one properly, or this one. But in this portion you're just getting over there, this portion is not matched, so you have to take this one from here. So this one is the perfect way, or this one is the perfect portion to making fulfill. So that's good. We'll refine this one later. In this portion be careful when you are making this one, just because of here in this portion you are getting the align or the line like that, and just making this one like that. So we got the X and now S, making this one at first. So the first portion and the last portion, and S should be like that or like this. So this one, okay, now this and this, and this portion will be like that, and this portion would be like that. So we got this portion, and now we'll make the R. Here is a hexagon, so you have to maintain this area, and these R should be from here and here. Now time to refine the edges and everything. I'll take fast and forward to go this one. So this portion, so we got our logo like that, and that is easy if you maintain the full things. Just because of you can do there this portion, and here we end this one. That means this one is aligned to this, or you can make this one in like that, just because of this portion will be same, and you can make this one from here. So it's totally up to you. So our logo is ready. If you want, you can delete all the lines. So how to do that? Here the magic wand tool, select in a line, all line will select and delete all the lines, selecting all the logos and all the letters and turning off the stroke. You are getting like this. So in this portion you are getting here, we just left this portion. How to fix that? So you have to go back and press shift M for the shape builders tool and making this one fulfill. So when you are making the full shape, you have to be careful to don't leave the portion from there. Our logo is ready. Now we'll go to the mockup portion. I downloaded some mockup. So here is some PSD mockup and you can apply those. So this one was our mockup. Actually the mockup was like this, actually like this. So this one is our mockup, and here is smart object. Double press this mockup and copy this logo. Ctrl C for the copy and Ctrl F for the forward paste, or Ctrl V for the forward paste, and hit OK, making this one a little bit smaller, and then press Ctrl S or Command S, and it will save in this window and you are getting this logo. So hope that you learn a lot from this video. If you did, please thumbs up and share with your friend, and if you have any kind of question, query, request, please do comment on my video comment section, and if you have any queries, please do comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep me in your prayers. Bye bye.